Erokamano kuom medo kete Ramogi TV waikore makare mar kelo ni weche manyien makagi kacha machiegni. Nyinga Milton Ochieng Awuor. Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto oseyo josiasa makwedo serikande kowacho ni gionge kod ajenda momiyo koro giloso mana kuome. Kanoloso e kinde yango gi rapaya ma Njokini e kaunti ma Taita Taveta, jatend piny owacho ni ok odhi chiko ite ne wechegi ka kendo odhi keto mana teko mage e chwalo dongruok ne jopiny. Wachni ne osir kod spika ma Seneta Amazon Kingi mowacho ni mise mar sirikal sani en dongruok ne jopiny kopogore gi duokore gi josiasa.
Zuri kwa Mheshimiwa Rais tafadhali. Na sasa tinga haya, malori haya.
Kwani hii chama walikuwa wanatengeneza ilikuwa ya William Ruto? Ama hiyo chama inaitwa William Ruto? Sasa nyinyi sera yenu William Ruto, mpango yenu William Ruto, maono yenu William Ruto. Sasa mimi nataka niwaambie wale jamaa na niwatangazia wa Kenya, hawa watu ambao walikuwa wanaongea mambo ya William Ruto, mimi sijawatuma. Hiyo chama wanaongelea hapo si ya William Ruto. So hawa ni matapeli. Watafute chama na jina yake wapatiane, sio William Ruto. Ama namna gani? Watafute sera na watafute mpango na watafute vision, otherwise wataungua.
Ni watu ambao walikuwa ndani ya serikali zilizopita na kwa ngazi za juu sana. Katika kikao kile tulikuwa na former vice president wawili. Katika kikao kile kilikuwa na watu waliokuwa mawaziri tena wizara za nguvu wakati ule, lakini hakuna chochote ambacho anaweza kuonyesha Wakenya wakati walikuwa katika ngazi zile ambazo waliofanyia Wakenya. Absolutely nothing to show for their record.
Wenye wivu wafanye nini? Wale umeona jana wamekongamana ati wanatengeneza chama ya siasa ndiyo ikuwe fimbo ya kukupinga. Yaani nyinyi, huyu Mheshimiwa Ruto atapingwa hapa Njokini? Atapingwa hapa Taita Taveta?
Ugwe mar masawa mar Kenya biro yudo ber mogundho kowuok e tend William Ruto ka chenro mathoth mag dongruok mokawo omenda mathoth chiegni rumo kama moko bende idwa chaki. Jalup jatend piny Kithure Kindiki osingo ne jodak makono ni gwengego ok bidong' chien e chenro mag gundho apeini ma gedogi nosechakore kata manosejwang', tudo teko mar stima, gero chirni manyien e kind dongruoge mamoko. Kanoloso e kinde manoromo kod jotelo mahewa 10,000 mawuok Tharaka Nithi, Meru kod Embu e dalane mantiere Irunduni, Mukothi mawuode kaunti ma Tharaka, Kithure nolero ni obiro neno ni gwengego oyudo ber kowuok kuom chenro mag dongruok ma sirikand Ruto sani timo e gwenge ma pachoka.
Wakati wa Kenya kutoka kila sehemu ya nchi wanaponufaika na maendeleo ya serikali hii ambayo mimi sasa ni naibu wa rais, hata nyinyi kaunti zetu hapa mahali nimezaliwa, hata nyinyi mnufaike na maendeleo, kwa sababu this region is also part of the Republic of Kenya. Kwa sababu kuna watu wanafikiria we will either forget home or we will stay far away and not address the things that relate to where we come from. But Tharaka Nithi, Meru, Embu is part of Kenya, and therefore we will go out of our way to make sure that this region and the rest of the regions of Kenya get maximum development from this administration.
Ogai machon mar doho Justice David Maraga koro dwaro mondo mi ochwale nyim doho jogo manonego rowere kinde ng'anyo mag rowere mag Gen Z manotimore dwe mar auchiel higa mokalo. Koloso e kinde chiwo ayanga lipot mar riwruok mar kituo cha sheria, Maraga nowacho ni anyuola mag rowere manonegi e kinde ng'anyo nowinjo yud ratiro magi. E kinde ng'anyo no ero od bura mamalo ma pachoka nomonji kendo mwandu mathoth bende nokethore.
Quite a number of them were lost during those Gen Z protests. And I want to believe that everything is being done for justice to be accorded to those who are victims. We are in a civilized state. We have a constitution that entrenches human rights. There should be nobody who should be killed simply because he has demonstrated. If there is an offense committed during that demonstration, those ones should be charged in court. That's what should be done. Not anybody just being shot and killed or even maimed without due process.
Reports have been made. We have institutions which are working. We have IPOA. We have the report by National Human Rights Commission. And therefore efforts are being made to ensure that those who suffered will be, of course, compensated. Kituo has filed some cases in court, and that process is ongoing. And there are many other engagements that have already been done. I'm sure you have seen the press briefings that we have done already. You have seen what Amnesty International is doing. That is part of the greater work to ensure that those who suffered will be able to get justice, because our constitution provides mechanisms in which these disputes can be resolved.
Koro wadhi e kaunti ma Busia, kamogai mar ODM Raila Odinga dhi nyime gi twak e nyasi mar ringo higni 20 nyaka ne chak duond burano.
Mama anabeba hapa, sana mnyonyesha. Baadaye kama mnyonyesha anaanza kudema. Anatembea na nini kule chini, sio? Baadaye anaanza kutamaa, sio? Kutambaa, sio? Baadaye anaanza sasa kukua kijana mpaka anabalehe. Si anabalehe. Nywele inaanza kutoka kule chini kwa nyuzi, sio? Baadaye ndevu zianza kutoka. Msichana anasema msichana amevunja ungo, sio? Amevunja ungo. Baadaye sasa akifika miaka 20 si ametosha. Ametosha kuwa na bibi, sio? Hiyo ndio Odi. Sasa tumesema siku ya leo tukisherekea baba amerudi, na nimesema nitakuja kuuliza watu wangu wote kwanza mwelekeo. Tujue mwelekeo, sio? Sisi si watu wa kufuata watu hovyo. Tunafuata watu na sababu. Chama cha ODM ni chama ambayo iko na sera kamili na msimamo. Na vile vile sisi tumekuwa tukitetea haki ya wananchi wa Kenya. Na tutaendelea kutetea haki ya wananchi wa Kenya, sio? Ile katiba tulileta ya chungwa ndio ilileta ugatuzi katika taifa letu. Ugatuzi tumeleta, lakini haifanyi kazi sawa sawa, kwa sababu pesa haijatolewa Nairobi kuja hapa chini. Pesa inakaa mingi kule Nairobi. Tunataka kuona kama pesa inatoka Nairobi ya kutosha na inatumia vizuri hapa katika serikali ya counties. Sawa. Tunataka kuimarisha pesa ya matibabu itoke Nairobi irudi wapi? Pesa ya barabara itoke Nairobi irudi wapi? Chini, sio? Sivyo? Hello? Tunataka kuona mambo ya ufisadi. Tutaangalia. Hello? I'm coming home where I've been. Hello? I'm coming home where I've been. Hello? Vijana hoi! Wangapi nasema baba aendelee kushauriana na watu kwanza? Ngapi nasema nipate maoni, sivyo? Tutashauriana, na nataka kuhakikisha nyinyi kwamba tutachukua msimamo ambaye italenga matakwa na haki ya Wakenya wote. Hiyo ndio tutafanya. Hakuna nyokonyoko. Sawa. Vijana hoi! Asanteni sana, Mungu awabariki.
Mano Raila Odinga koloso e odi odiochieng' mar dhialo nyasi mar higni 20 nyaka ne chak duond bura mar ODM madhi nyime e kaunti ma Busia. Ka wadhi nyime en ni bod mochung' ne yiero duond bura mar UDA koro yango ni giseketo ikruok makare motelo ne yiero mar kor gwenge mibiro bagie kuonde od bura 7 duto mayudore e kaunti ma Kisumu. Kotelne kod jakanyo Halake Dida giwacho ni yiero ma Kisumu dhi chakore tarik 11 dwe mar Ang'wen kendo idhi time e yor lony manyasani kaka osebed kitime kuonde duto ma Kenya kane oloso seche mane duond bura Nero Bagoromo gi jochung' e kombe mopogore opogore oyango ni yiero no dhi bedo mahuyanga maonge mibadhi. Kata kamano lietno neno e od burano e seche mane johera mag jochung' mopogore opogore nogwenyore paro momakore sade.
On the process of the elections, we have made it known to them that we are going to do elections on the 11th of April. The elections will be conducted digitally. We shall be having a registered party membership list where only UDA members will be taking part in these elections. The other requirement is that persons who are going to vote must be registered voters at the various polling stations. On the 11th, we shall be conducting elections at the polling stations across all the IBC registered polling centers. This will be through universal suffrage. After a 2 weeks period, we are going to undertake ward elections. For the ward elections, it will be through the delegate system. The people of the 20 officials that are elected at the polling centers will proceed to ward to elect among themselves the ward representatives. So that is how we are going to undertake. And as NEP, we have given an assurance to the party membership that we shall conduct a free, fair, credible and verifiable elections.
Piny owacho kokalo board mochung' ne choko pi ohula mong'ere kaka National Water Harvesting Authority koro singo matieko chutho wach mar ohula mosebedo kanure gwenge mopogore e thurka e kinde koth. Bad migawo no chopo e winjruok kod kambi moro mar ji giwegi ma bende ibiro miyo raka ma chodho kuoyo mosebedo kadino wang' aoche e bura e pacho ka giyango yawo aoche kaka Nyando to gi River Nzoia mowinjo chaki kapok koth maduong' kochako chwe e dwe manyien.
Ukiona mto wa Nyando, saa hii mto wa Nyando inafurika hata kwa sababu ya mvua ya siku moja. Sababu gani? Sababu ya mchanga ambayo imejaa mdomo ya mto. So Trench Masters imekuja na ile special inaitwa nini kwa hivyo? Vifaa na teknolojia ya kisasa kutusaidia serikali ya Kenya kutoa hizo mchanga ili mvua ikinyesha kidogo maji inatiririka kwa mpaka kwa lake ama kwa sea.
I believe that this partnership has come at the right time, and especially now before the start of the rains. CEO, I hope we can move very fast so that we can prove that this can work even before the start of the rain.
And Dredge Master Kenya is very, very happy to partner you, and we have technology, expertise, manpower to dredge dams, rivers, do reclamation, flood control.
Kocha manyien mar Harambee Stars Benny McCarthy idhi dhial ayanga wuok tich ma juma manyien marien kaluwore gi riwruok matayo tuke mag adhula FKF. McCarthy ne en jatugo machon mar tim ma South Africa Bafana Bafana kendo nche nobedo kaka achiel kuom coaches mag tim mag Manchester United kopuonjo jogo eko magin strikers. McCarthy owacho no biro gi technical bench mare duto.